Good morning everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new update on Matic and Polygon. We'll also briefly take a look at the network and the blockchain. In general, what we'll do is we'll go over the fundamentals for both Matic specifically, or both for Polygon specifically, and a bit about the market. That's with the market being discorrelated. I think that's necessary. So that's what we'll do, but we'll also dive into the price and to the technicals of Matic right now, what we're doing. So yeah, basically try to give you a full overview of everything you can expect. That's always my goal. And right now with Matic as well. So before we get into Matic and Polygon specifically, which I'll use those words interchangeably, but they're the same thing. If you want to receive daily trading signals from me, check out the links down in the description or the pinned comment. We've been profitable for 7 out of the last 9 weeks. So if you would have joined from the beginning, you would have made a lot of money. If you want to check that out, check out that link. The instructions are in the Discord and the Telegram server. But all right, so first of all, let's start off with some fundamentals. I think that's important. Right now, you can see that the total value locked of Polygon has been fairly stable, perhaps trending down a bit. Daily active addresses and daily transactions I would consider as stable. Now, obviously, though, at the end of March, we have had the Polygon ZK EVM launch, which is now also trackable. And you can see right there, since the 28th of March, the total value locked there has actually grown quite a bit, up to 1.5 million, and it's still growing. Daily transactions is fairly well as well. But I have to be honest, 1.5 million in total value locked is not a lot. It's actually quite low. So perhaps that's a bit of bad news for Matic. Perhaps they would have expected that it was bigger, but right now you got so many trending alternatives like Optimism, Arbitrum. It's a crowded market, but still, technically, you can see that we are consolidating. All right, we are just moving sideways. But even if in that sideways movement, you always have bullish breakouts and bearish breakouts, and it looks like we are now trying to break out above our main resistance level at around 1.12.5 cents. So 1.125. That's the main resistance level. It's a bit of a psychological level. 200 EMA is there, the golden line, and it's a normal key level. What I think is that it just depends so much on Bitcoin. That's what I mean with that. I also wanted to grab some fundamentals from the market. It just depends so much on that. Because right now, for example, I expect Bitcoin to become more bullish. I think we can get higher than where we are now. And that's also why I expect Matic to, even if we find some resistance at around 1.12, 1.125, even if that's the case, I do think that we are able to break above that in the next, let's say, 3 days. And then rally up to 1.17. And then I'll keep you updated. I mean, I don't see any reason why we would break out of this consolidation for now. But I do think we can get to that upper bound. I mean, that's the thing with consolidations. You have these moves to the downside, and you have these moves to the top. Right now, there's really no indication, even if Bitcoin goes up to 31,500, I still wouldn't see Matic breaking above this major resistance between 1.17 and 1.18. But I do think the most likely scenario is that we will get there and eventually break above 1.12 and 1.12.5 cents. But that's my take on Matic for now. If you do have any questions, let me know. But for now, take care. Thank you for watching and bye.